Should all the money go to your parents and siblings or your wife and kids? Let's clear this up with what Islam actually teaches. And remember, let's not confuse culture with religion. First off, your wife and kids. The Quran and Hadith emphasize that your immediate family comes first. Men are the protectors and maintainers of women because Allah has given the one more strength than the other, and because they support them from their means. Quran 4:34. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, said, "It is enough sin for a man to withhold the sustenance from those whom he owns." Muslim. Now let's talk about parents. Islam also places a high value on caring for your parents, especially as they age. And we have enjoined upon man care for his parents. Quran 31:14. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, said, "The pleasure of Allah lies in the pleasure of the parent." Tirmidhi. So where should your money go? Primarily, it should go to your wife and kids to ensure their needs are met. But this doesn't mean you neglect your parents. Supporting them, especially in their old age, is also important. As for siblings, they don't have the same financial rights over you as your immediate family and parents do. However, helping them if you are able is encouraged. In summary, your wife and kids come first for financial support, followed by your parents. Balance and context are key. Let's not confuse culture with religion. Like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to prioritize your responsibilities according to Islamic teachings.